Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back in the shop cruising around and today we're finally going to take a look at the 944. I know it's been a moment and there's also been massive updates on our shop itself, so we're going to take a look at the shop and where we stand with the 944. So this is my shop. Okay, so usually it's a lot tighter in here, I promise, but right now we have some cars missing, so I'm sharing the shop with Frankie, and he just bought another project car, which he has in another shop right now, but that will be in here next week or so. But as you can see, we have the 944 under the cover we're going to take a look at right now. But yeah, so the process of building all of this, we did it last autumn, and without the help of my cousin and his business partner, this would have never been possible, so massive thanks to them. I'm gonna put a quick time lapse in right now so you can see how we built it. We put everything up, we built the stairs so you can basically go up and chill, but we're not complete yet. So since we're skateboarders, we still want to build a skate ramp in there so you can actually skate, build your cars, but also chill on top, have a barbecue, play some video games. We built a sim, yeah, lots going on. So let's take a look at the 944. You might have seen the first drive video I did with the 944, and there I discussed that the car is almost my ideal dream spec, and the interior before was this sort of brownish interior, as you can see with this piece here. The car's 38 years old, so the interior really didn't look as good anymore, and for me the ideal spec was a red 944 with a black interior. So this is exactly what we're doing right now. So I ordered a full set of a black interior for the 944. It was custom made in Germany, but the main problem was that it arrived in 26 pieces. So we basically removed the entire interior. We got the seats out. The seats are currently getting refitted again. Some other parts that I also had customized, which you'll see when we built everything together. But yeah, so everything is out. We have the 26 pieces, and we first had to figure out where every piece would go. And I don't have any knowledge in this, so this is my first rebuild sort of. But it's working really well. We're almost halfway through now, so we're gonna continue with the entire process. Then we're gonna build up everything again with all the customized parts that I made that you'll see very soon. And then this is sort of the first step of the rebuild, which contains the interior. But I'm gonna roll some B-roll I did throughout the winter of the entire process so you can see yourself. And yeah, let's go. Alright then, so this was just a quick update on the 944. We're gonna keep continuing with the rebuild, and hopefully it will be done in about 2 or 3 weeks. There are also going to be some exterior details added, which you'll see very soon. But I hope you enjoyed today's update on the 944. I've been sent lots and lots of messages on how the car is doing and everything, so I hope this update helps you a bit, and would be really cool if you could comment down below any thoughts or ideas or what you think of what we're doing out here. And yeah, I'll see you soon, guys.